southeastern Williamson County, Illinois, southeastern Jackson County, Illinois, southeastern Perry County, Missouri, until 10:15 p.m. At 9:52 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Grand Tower, or 10 miles north of Trail of Tears State Park, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Cobden, Grand Tower, Cedar Lake area, Makeda, and Alto Pass. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:15 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Jackson, Union and Williamson, and Perry, Missouri. The tornado warning for north central Union, southeastern Jackson, and eastern Perry counties will expire at 10 p.m. The tornado threat has diminished and the tornado warning has been canceled.